Thank you for giving me an opportunity for a fair hearing. So, Honorable Speaker, I want to appreciate that opportunity. I also wanted to say we have an active witness regarding the process of my suspension that led to the impeachment. And I wish to appreciate that opportunity, but also I wish not to participate in the responses, because basically in the grounds that have been raised, most of them are managerial issues regarding the board operations, where I serve as the chair, and I do not have that access to take any evidence. So whatever I might be able to give here is purely theoretical or from my own knowledge, which will not be good before this honorable house, which is a house of record, that if I table what I feel is right without evidence provided from the files of the board will not be okay, because I might be lying to this honorable house. Among other gross violations that I won't be able to talk about, like the first ground of the board, the second ground on discriminating, it's a minute in the board that was resolved by the members of the board, and the speaker doesn't vote, only casts when there is a tie. So we have the same minutes, which I do not have access. The ground number 3, on ward operations, honorable members, you are much aware that the speaker has no powers in matters of requisitions. This assembly is in record to have gone for over 3 months late disbursement, and our operations are not sufficient, as you are aware. Actually, by March, we have depleted our operations. So it's from the engagements between the leadership and the board that we found it fit to look for ways of passing supplementary budgets here, which the board does as its mandate, to change votes, to ensure that the members are facilitated so that they are able to do their legislative processes. And I've been engaging the leadership of this house, and all leaders can attest to that. Also, on the members who were recalled by their parties, I think they have an active case in court, which I might not be able to comment about. And ground number 5, about the House Business Committee. You are aware that the Speaker, through engagement with leadership, we suspended all committees. And when committees are suspended, chairpersons who are committed to whip their members. And in the House business, the Speaker is the chairperson. At the same time, when we do not have business, the Speaker has the express powers to do the same. So in this House, we suspended all the committees, and at that point, I'm sure the committees were not able to sit to decide on the businesses, and it was purely with the chairperson. On ground number 5, ground number 6 of a relative. I don't have a relative at the County Assembly Service Board. The member said here is born in Osamaro, married in Bobichora Ward, and Honorable Okero is born in Manga Ward, Itutu Masaba. So I do not have any direct relationship to the said member, and at the same time, it was a competitive process which was advertised, and the members were shortlisted. On proxies through tenders, I don't participate in proxy business. I have my own way of making my income, so I deny the allegation. In regard to the foreign trips, Honorable Chair, I've traveled over 28 countries, and only that I wasn't told which foreign trip I made without the approval of the Department of Devolution or approval from the club. So I wasn't provided for the same so that I can be able to account for the same. But all in all, I know any foreign trip, the last foreign trip I made was an invite from the CAF County Assemblies Forum that I attended. It was cleared, and I know I haven't been paid by the same County Assembly from that foreign trip. So for now, Honorable Chair, I appreciate the opportunity, and I would like to leave it there. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Where my name is recorded that I reported a miss was lost, so that's misguiding. 2, the acting speaker never served me. Otherwise, it's Honorable Chocha Buga who served me that letter, and I will push on under what capacity he served me that letter to return the properties. I never received any communication from you, nor the clerk in regard to the same. It's Honorable Chocha Buga single-handedly sent me all those documents. Honorable Julius Matwere said about me planning. I think security is not a cheap thing to just announce that I participated. Since we have the security agents who are entitled, you should have reported me immediately so that I can suffer the repercussions of going against the law, if indeed you have that evidence.
Thank you.
Me. But